Political tension in Zimbabwe is reaching a boiling point. A war of words has erupted with Bulawayo Mayor David Coltart at the center, openly criticizing members of parliament who follow Nelson Chamisa. The cause of the upheaval? 3 MPs have chosen to resign in order to follow Chamisa, a decision that Coltart argues led to losses in the recent Saturday by-elections. This all began when 2 distinguished MPs decided to step down on their own accord. According to Coltart, their resignation and the subsequent decision of many to follow Chamisa handed seats to ZANU-PF without a fight. But the story does not end there. Charlton Hwende, the TSHABANGU MP, supported Coltart's sentiment, questioning the truthfulness of those who claimed President Chamisa had endorsed their candidacy after they resigned in solidarity with him. The plot thickens as Comfort Dondo, the human rights director, stepped into the fray. Dondo challenged Coltart's statements, asking whether this was not an endorsement of Mnangagwa's lawlessness. He questioned Coltart's stance on Chamisa's MPs remaining in an unlawful parliament, and accused him of campaigning for what the Inter-Parliamentary Union has ruled must be reversed. The situation in Zimbabwe is complex and far from resolved. Coltart's criticism of MPs who follow Chamisa has sparked a heated debate, with various prominent figures weighing in on the situation. The main points of contention are the resignation of MPs in solidarity with Chamisa, the subsequent loss in the by-elections, and the question of lawfulness and truthfulness within the parliament. In the midst of political tension, one thing is clear. The future of Zimbabwe is hanging in the balance. The outcome will be determined not just by the actions of politicians, but by the decisions of the Zimbabwean people. This is a pivotal moment in the nation's history, and the world watches in anticipation to see how it will unfold.